Hi, and welcome to Hamden Public Library. This is Betsy. It is now the beginning of April, and for the well-being of the public, our buildings are temporarily closed. We are working from home, though, to make this site as helpful as ever, and to bring you some really great content that is available 24/7 wherever you have an internet connection. I'm going to take you on a short tour of our website to get you started using its features, and so you can take full advantage of our services. Note that I am on the desktop version of the website. On a phone or tablet, it looks somewhat different, though the features are just the same. First and foremost, we have our catalog search area. Even when our buildings are closed, you can still search the catalog and often find suitable content that is available online, such as ebooks, audiobooks, music, and movies. I won't go into this in detail on this tour, as we have made a truly comprehensive video on searching the catalog, which you can access from our blog area. But briefly, you can type in a title, author, or keywords that you like. Change the location to Hamden Public Library. In the format area, you can see how you can limit your results to various formats. In the results list, it has to say available online to be available to you. So let's go to the other content, starting with the orange and red bars here and here. Hover over each tab to reveal what is underneath. The About Us tab has our annual reports, information on the library board, information on Thornton Wilder, who was a Hamden resident, and a history of the library. The Support tab is Friends of the Library, gift giving, and book donations. Unfortunately, these will be on hold until sometime after we return to the buildings. Next is the library blog. These original posts have become increasingly important to our online presence, and we are continually adding to them while we are working from home. You can see that there is a wide variety of content here, from health resources to how-tos to children's activities. Back to the orange bar. You can contact us, and rest assured, we will answer your questions. Going down to the red tab, these are the heavy hitters of our content, the online services. Download and stream, where you can search for ebooks, videos, magazines, audiobooks, and music. You can also do some research and learning on our databases, many of which are for Hamden residents only. However, some of them are open to everyone, and all of them are free. You can apply for a library card online if you need one. And here is access to the library YouTube channel, which you can be sure will be continually updated with more story times, read-alouds, and other content. Children's tab. Parents, please note, here's a tab just for you. Teachers, parents, fun and games, story time from home, homework help, and 1,000 books before kindergarten. Teens, and you have to click on this one to get the contact. Teen Advisory Board, Teen Links and Calendar, New Fiction, and if you click on the title, you can see if it is available online. Next, we have community resources. You can click on the topic that interests you for local listings. Here's some COVID-19 resources. This timely topic is front and center in our minds right now, and we have gathered information you can trust. Videos for you about mental health, avoiding scams, some business resources, stretching your dollars, unemployment info, insurance info, and links to reputable sources. Returning to the main page, I'll now highlight for you some of the quick links that we have prepared on the right-hand side of the page. First, you'll see the download and stream and research and learning buttons that come from our online services tab. Going down, we have Contact a Librarian. This is new for us, and we have been monitoring Facebook Messenger and also email so you can still chat with us or ask your questions, and we will do our best to provide you with relevant information. Here's a quick link to library card registration. And here's one to Storytime from Home, our YouTube channel. And here is where you can sign up for updates to receive occasional news from Hampden Public Library in your inbox. And finally, let's go up to the blog area, where you will find only our most recent blogs. But if you click on the heading, you will find the whole list of blogs we have created, pages of them. We have been busy keeping you up to date, engaged, and informed. Well, I hope you stay busy and make sure that you include us in your daily routine. We miss you. I encourage you to become comfortable with our online 24-hour library. Don't forget to come visit us when we open our doors to you again. We will see you soon.